Why them a look for me so? Teacher Olympics tug of. I tug of war first? My apologies. Jesus Christ. Okay, shot. Hallelujah, Fred. Go, go! Yeah! Guys, a greenhouse in a year green. Go green.
One blue, one blue, one blue. We'll see.
Go!
Them a custard.
Editing me here, that was me in the race, but I don't feel no way come last. That was a male race. I only did it so that we could get some points. Yeah, I come last, but I don't feel no way. One ash.
Because they don't have men. So that them.
Mommy, look what you got! What is that? It's a shoe! Why look so small? Oh my god, it's small, the shoe. What size is it? Come, shoes? Can't fit your mommy. Just how you spend money. I same size, no way. A different type, that's why. Anyways, what is that? This is little crop. Ugly man. I thought this was a dress. What is this? Is a skirt? You know wear this. Okay, what's the first one? Oh, what is she? Oh, they may have up on the crop. What's this? Interesting. I think I got the one. Yeah. I buckled him. Then you have to make one, bro. Check them out to make sure so they know. What's the go on today, mommy? What's the galang today? Come last. Now everything. We do tug of war and we do potatoes. I got too late so I missed the marathon. But my outcome second to none. Okay, I got this for my phone. Bombard. How would the fuck? A tree screen protector then give me, you know?
So much again.
One. The one me buy. Well for the money. I must say $3 me pay and a privacy screen. $3 they saying?
Yeah,
That's one. This is for 14 plus. Yeah, and then saying this angle. Oh, it come like seminar read the description them properly. I moved to buy this with it to see a tree. I mean see a tree money me pay for. I bought a protective case. It's thick door. Not heavy feeling. My god. Heavy though. So I make my phone really heavy. And it come with a 3-piece or a 2-piece. A 3-piece it come with. So you have the outer layer, the back, and the front. So you have protective case. And then lastly, you get this lip oil. This is the peach one. Take time, mommy, take time. You be ready? Let's see if I like this girl. Oh, this nice. You know, too sticky. Not too. You bad, this bad. This bad. This. You buy it, me say. Guys, we just put on a parking a while ago on one little stone side. When you know, look, I catch on one little flowers tire. I'm tired. Anyways, so the country again. Music. Cool skill. Yeah, zoom up. Hello.
Hey, what's up,
Hi,
man?
my uncle.
Hi, my niece.
Hi. Hi. Oh, this is a pick up your face. Hello, my grandparents.
What's going on, my girl?
I'm
Let me
here.
boy there. Let me girl there. You know, carry on.
Their father, you soon come.
Come, miss.
They come right here. Misty, what? You alright?
We don't dance on here. How are
We did a watch. Which father did it?
in the water place? You see that you come before you must know.
Mistake, it's right.
They're not big. I look at Papa and baby.
No, we mean a tree. Come here up one of my yard and it just look yellow and lean up.
Sick, man.
Oh, it's sick.
So nice, Papa, and it's sweet too.
Yeah. I'm not burn you.
Look alive.
I want something still up, man.
Oh, you just so positive.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That will pass somebody.
We're getting softer and getting more.
Bye.
Your hair is red.
Pass.
Hello, good morning. Whatever.
Shoot you.
Sunday, yeah.
What?
What place on?
Go to next.
Oh, go on, man. You can't count on winning and you can't win over everything. Black team can't win. Top 8 team can't win.
Wow.
We can't let them win them.
They can't win.
You know,
Here. 6. Look at it.
Who will win? No, two people tie. What's that? It smell body, man.
Dry up with the root.
So what light you have to take? Them they not gonna grow.
I don't grow one if you grow.
Oh,
I dry leaf and take it while tea.
come now, come now.
Eh?
Somebody done this again and pick package food. The Akio.
Where you park?
Right there, so.
You can go pick here. Go pick here and come.
Okay. You guys, may I say, I'm bringing food for Akeem and Myra because they went to do their hair. So me one come up here. Well, not me one, but my mom and I. It was steep. She want to pop me behind. So walk away, not even there, so. Yeah, guys, so that's it. Hello. This is me. Your hair, mommy. Wow. I love it. It's so pretty. Shake your bead. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Where am I? No, your ear neat, bud. Ooh, I love it, mommy. Let me see. Let me see. Wow. Pretty. Ooh, your dress is nice too. Ooh.